Hey everyone, it's Luke from Weldpro, and today I'm back with another video, this time to show you how to assemble the MIG 140 and all of the components that come with it. The MIG 140 is a multi-purpose welder that's capable of both stick welding and MIG welding. To get started, let me show you how to set up for stick welding, which is one of the more simple processes to use and a strong capability of the MIG 140. The first thing you should do is locate the ground clamp and cable assembly that came with the MIG 140. This is going to get plugged into the front of the machine. For stick welding applications, the MIG 140 is capable of working on both DC negative and DC positive current. In this example, we'll set up the machine using DC electrode positive polarity. This means we'll connect our electrode holder to the positive terminal and we'll connect our ground clamp to the negative terminal. We do this by inserting the sleeve into the machine and rotating approximately 90 degrees. With both leads attached, it's now time to set up the menu in the MIG 140. Begin by locating the power switch on the back of the MIG 140 and switching it to the on position. You'll notice that the screen boots up on the front of the machine and displays much of the welding information you need to get started. On the upper right corner of the screen is the welding mode selection button. This is where you can change your processes. There are also two other buttons that we'll talk about in the future related to MIG welding, and the MMA selection button that allows you to adjust some of the options in the machine. The indicator on the screen lets you know that you're adjusting amperage for the current welding process. This amperage is displayed on the face of the machine as the large number in the center of the screen. There's also an LED indicator right above the adjustment dial that lets you know where you're at. Turning this rotary knob clockwise will increase your amperage, while turning it counterclockwise will decrease the amperage. For now, we'll leave our machine set at 115. The MIG 140 gives us some great stick welding options, including a hot start and an arc force. By pressing the MMA selection button, we first revealed the hot start option and its affiliated setting. Hot start allows us to increase the power of the arc depending on the material we're working on. We use the rotary knob to turn counterclockwise or clockwise to adjust this setting according to our needs. Pressing the button one more time will reveal our arc force option. Arc force gives your arc unique characteristics that are desirable among certain materials during the stick welding process. Using the rotary knob, adjusting it clockwise or counterclockwise allows you to change this value. Pressing and holding the MMA selection button will allow you to access the VRD menu. This is a voltage reduction option that makes open circuit voltage slightly safer. Rotating the selector wheel clockwise or counterclockwise allows us to toggle this option on or off. The VRD indicator light at the bottom lets you know that you're currently adjusting the VRD option. Now that you have your electrode holder and ground clamp connected to the MIG 140, as well as the menu set up correctly for the stick welding application, you should be ready to get started stick welding for the first time with your machine. As always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help you as best we can. Stay tuned for the next video where we show you how to set up for the MIG welding process specifically on the MIG 140.